Hi everyone, I'm back with the part 6 of my lowercase alphabet blanket series, and today we're gonna go through the pattern for rows number 49 to 54. If you are new here, we are in the midst of crocheting this beautiful blanket with lowercase alphabets, and I have all the previous parts in a playlist right here. I would definitely recommend to start from part 1 and work your way through every episode. I'll also post the link to the free written pattern in the description below as well as the pinned comment, so you can follow the written pattern if you wish to. Alright then, let's quickly start with the pattern for row number 49. Let's go. Alright everyone, so we're ready for row number 49. So let's chain 1 and turn your work. Start with 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets after that. And then we need 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. After the third bobble, let's do 7 single crochets. And a bobble in the next stitch. Nine single crochets after that. Bobble after the 9 single crochets. Nine single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Okay, 6 single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Four single crochets next. A bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets after that. A bobble in the next stitch. Six single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Five single crochets. A bobble. Six single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Five single crochets. A bobble. Three single crochets. A bobble in the next. Three single crochets again. a bobble in the next, and 5 single crochets after that. Put a bobble in the next stitch, and we'll end the row just like we started with 6 single crochets. Okay, that was row 49. Let's chain 1, turn your work and do a row of single crochet in every stitch. It's gonna be row number 50. Okay, get that done and see me back for row number 51. Alright everyone, once you're done with row number 50, for row 51, chain 1 and turn your work. Okay, let's start with 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next, six single crochets again, a bobble in the next, 12 single crochets after that, a bobble in the next stitch, seven single crochets after that, and then we need 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. And after the third bobble stitch, let's do 7 single crochets. A bobble in the next, six single crochets after that, a bobble in the next, four single crochets next, bobble in the next, seven single crochets after that, bobble in the next, six single crochets after that, bobble in the next, five single crochets next, bobble in the next, six single crochets after that, and a bobble in the next stitch. Okay, 5 single crochets after that, a bobble in the next, 3 single crochets, a bobble, three single crochets again, bobble in the next, and 5 single crochets after that. Put a bobble in the next, and we're gonna end this row just like we started with 6 single crochets. Alright, chain 1, turn your work and get row number 52 done, which is gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch. Okay, so meet you back when I'm done with my row number 52, and we'll start with row number 53. Okay everyone, so far we're done with row number 52. So for row number 53, chain 1, turn your work, and let's start with 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next, six single crochets after that, a bobble in the next stitch, 12 single crochets after the bobble, bobble in the next, nine single crochets after that, bobble in the next, nine single crochets after that, bobble in the next, six single crochets next, bobble in the next stitch, 4 single crochets after that, bobble in the next, seven single crochets after that, bobble in the next stitch, five single crochets after that, bobble in the next, seven single crochets after that, bobble in the next, five single crochets, a bobble, five single crochets after the bobble, a bobble next, seven single crochets, bobble in the next stitch, and 5 single crochets after the bobble. Put a bobble in the next, and let's end this row with 6 single crochets. Alright, chain 1, turn your work. For row number 54, you know very well what to do. You're gonna do a row of single crochet in every stitch. So go ahead, do row number 54 and come back for row number 55. Alright everyone, let's stop here for today. I'll see you soon with the next bunch of rows. Meanwhile, I love to read your comments, so please keep them coming in the comment section below, or you can DM me on Instagram. My handle is @yarnoculus. Alright then, I'm gonna be back soon with the next bunch of rows. Till then, take care and happy crocheting.